and welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Net, and now it is my turn to do Halloween Series 2026 Make Market Diamond Painting Kits unboxing. The first time I saw it on Verena's channel, I don't know why, but her Michaels is the best. She lives in Florida and it's always the first one that puts out the new diamond painting series. It was with Christmas, Halloween, etc., summer kits. So unfortunately for me, my local Michaels doesn't have it to be displayed in the store yet, like put out in the store yet. It is still somewhere in the back, so I ordered it online and picked it up in store. So this year there are no fall themed designs, only Halloween related, and they're all kind of spooky except of a few. So, and I think I purchased those few kits that are not really very spooky. The first one is this 3 keychains with the cat, ghost, and the pumpkin. We will open them in a little bit. I also purchased this half moon wreath. Actually, I didn't see it in Verena's store. Maybe I didn't pay attention, I don't know, but it was only one item available in mine, so I purchased it right away. And the last one is the canvas, 40 by 50 centimeters. I'm not sure. Okay, the name is Crystal Ball, but you know, yeah, my theme, right? I also have a crystal ball, and by the way, just want to show you this gorgeous amethyst. Purchased it yesterday at our local geological store. Look at that! Oh my God, this amethyst tower. I'm indifferent to amethyst, but when I saw this one, I fell in love with it. Look at this color. Oh my God. It is something. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Very clear. Amethyst tower. So let's start with this one. As always, let's start with the canvas. The canvas is vertical. To tell the truth, I don't know why I thought it was horizontal. 40 by 50 centimeters. This is a full pasting area, round drills, and this kit contains 45 colors. Symbol printing is pretty good. I love everything about this kit except of one, pentagram. I don't like it, and most likely I will diamond paint the whole area with one color. Maybe I will just make a reflection of this very crystal ball and use maybe purple crystals to diamond paint it in one color. Maybe I will make the rays of light coming out of different colors. I don't know, I will think about it, but I definitely don't want to have this one. And you know, the reason why I didn't really purchase that many kits, because as I mentioned before, there are no fall related designs. They are all spooky and pretty spooky, not even funny. If I saw, like, for example, a funny ghost or a funny pumpkin, maybe I would have bought it. There are some in a mystery box, but they look too childish to me. I didn't really like them. But all the rest, I mean, don't take me wrong, they're beautiful designs, but way too spooky for me. I don't like these kinds of things. I'm not really a fan of Halloween, but of course I couldn't resist when I saw the crystal ball. So it's a gorgeous design. There is a lot of room, plenty of room to customize it with different types of drills, crystals, ABs, maybe glow-in-the-dark drills. I don't know yet. I will think about it. And now let's look at the drill. Of course, I didn't see all the kits that we unboxed this year, but from what I noticed, not a single kit comes with ABs or glow-in-the-dark drills, unfortunately. So I will be monitoring the YouTube and check out unboxing of other designs. But from what I saw, for example, again, Verena unboxed quite a few kits, and none of them had ABs or glow-in-the-dark drills. I don't know what's wrong with Michaels this year, why they couldn't add some ABs. in their kits. For example, this very kit, this very design would definitely benefit from ABs, especially on the crystal. But I will definitely play with it. I will try to find some similar shade when it comes to purple color, lilac color, although it will be kind of risky to play with it because, as you can see on the preview, the color blending is like flawless on the crystal ball, right? It's just flawless. So if I find extremely similar purple shade, maybe I will use it, but other than that, I wouldn't want to mess it up because, again, color blending is perfect. By the way, I forgot to mention that their kits come with orange set of tools, even the wax is orange, and Halloween themed instructions. So I will definitely replace white with ABs. I always do it. I think it will look better. Okay. So the next one. A lot of yellows actually. A lot of purples. Yeah, this kit comes with a lot of purple and lilac shades. Look at that. All those purples. So I hope I showed you everything, right? And you did. Okay, let me show it to you again in case if I didn't show you all. But as you can see, all the drills are acrylic, no ABs, not even the golden metallic ones. Verena mentioned replacing the drills on the crystal ball stand with golden metallic, and I think it's a great idea. It will look fantastic, and technically I don't think that there is a risk of messing up the shades over here. It will still look perfect. Maybe just the design can be replaced with metallic drills. When I talk about the metallic drills, I refer to diamond dots, golden drills. I have a little bit left. The next kit that we are going to open is Half Moon Wreath. By the way, if you go to Michael's website, you will see that the diamond paintings are being sold out like insanely fast. So, this is the Half Moon. It is diamond painted on one side. The back side remains painted. That's how it looks. And of course, not that blurry. It is covered with a plastic film. So under the plastic film, it is pretty bright. So to tell you the truth, I'm not really a fan of the final result as it is shown here. Definitely you see that it is diamond painted with acrylic drills. I will not use the drills it comes with. Most likely I will replace the those, I don't even know what it is, like yellow beige drills with golden metallic drills, and diamond paint the face of the moon. I will also would like to use glow in the dark ABs, white ABs here on the stars, and metallic drills on the rays of light. So let's see the drills. By the way, it has two holes here on the top, and it is especially designed for the chain to hang on the door or elsewhere. So not many crystals. Oh, metallic drills. Okay, so they have metallic drills. Let me see how they look. To tell the truth, the only metallic drills that I like are the diamond dots have. Okay, I don't like the metallic drills. They're very flat. Look at the surface, right? Like on the top, the surface is kind of flat. If you ever saw the diamond dots ones, it's really good. You see how super faceted they are, right? These ones are kind of flat. I don't like it, so I will definitely replace them with these crystals. Again, acrylic blue. I will replace this one with crystals. Oh, Interesting. Look, there is no even white one. There is like a coffee and milk color. Well, I have something like this. Maybe I don't. No, I think I do. Yeah, it's 5007 color. Well, this one is more like yellowish. I don't know, I'll think about it. Most likely I will replace it with white ABs. Again, from Diamond Dots. Yeah, most likely. As for instance, it comes... This is number 4. Oh, actually, where is the... Oh, wow. So they don't have the legend? I mean, I'm pretty sure I'll figure it out, but yeah, there is no legend. Interesting. Whoa, this kit doesn't have a legend. Okay, I'm glad that... How many colors are there? Only 6 colors? Well, I will definitely figure it out. And they are not like number related. Well, I guess A is this number 1, black. No. Okay, yeah, I'm glad that they're color related. This way I know. So, but most, like, definitely number 2 is B. And D is this color, and yeah, I will definitely replace it with white ABs. Purple also will be replaced with crystals, this with golden drills, and the only colors that I'm going to use from this very kit, the only bag is this either black or dark blue color. That's it. Oh well, interesting. How come they don't have the legend? Thank God there are only 6 colors, and it's easy to determine which one is which. It's easy to correspond them with the symbols on the diamond painting kit. But yeah, I hope mine is an exception. All the rest will have the legend. And the last but not the least, the keychains. I already opened it actually for my Russian speaking channel. Oh, what I like about these ones that they already come with a chain, so you don't have to put them on. I always have a problem with it. They break my nails every time I do it with Chinese keychains. So this one is ghost, diamond painted again, only on one side. The other one, another one is the pumpkin. And the third one is the kitty. This kitty is so freaking funny. Look at that. Oh, it's so funny. Yeah. Yeah, they will be very cute as like charms on the backpacks for the kids. So this one does have a legend. Thank God. I wonder if maybe it's the same. Ah, no, this one has 9 colors. Huh. Okay, let's see. Ah, acrylic once again. No ABs. No glow in the dark. Like this one would look wonderful with glow in the dark. If we, for example, for the eyes, glow in the dark in the eyes would look gorgeous. Glow in the, like the whole ghost diamond painted with glow in the dark will also be beautiful. Most likely I will diamond paint this very ghost with white ABs that glow in the dark. I have some glow in the dark drills left from previous kits. Maybe I will use it on the cat's eyes. The only thing that you see, cat's eyes are diamond painted with this gorgeous green color. I don't think I have anything like this that glows in the dark, that bright, like emerald color, very beautiful color. But maybe I can make the teeth and the mouth of the cat, like, yeah, with a glow in the dark. You see the mouth is orange, I have glow in the dark orange, and I have a glow in the dark white. But this cat is so funny. Grumpy kitty. Okay, yeah, bright orange colors, but I have it from Hobby Lobby kit. Very similar. Maybe I will use it. And on the pumpkin too. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I will use it on the pumpkin. Glow in the dark neon drills. And I actually think I also have crystals that glow in the dark, but they are like more like reddish color, not orange. Yeah, look, not a single one. No AB, no glow in the dark. Even these ones, they are not even white. Again, like coffee and milk. Yeah. Okay, for example, I can use... Let me turn on the flash. I can use maybe this green. Well, yeah, absolutely different shade. But I don't know, I think it will look better with these ones because they kind of like sparkle, you know. So I also have these orange drills. These ones are the ones that glow in the dark. so maybe I can, yeah, like almost the exact color, you know. I don't understand why they couldn't put the glow-in-the-dark drills like that. It would look pretty good. I have this orange color as well. Maybe I will use this, but I don't think that this one glows in the dark. So there are, I can play with it, but yeah, I will definitely replace the drills, and this will be diamond painted with glow-in-the-dark ABs. Oh well, too bad that Make Market didn't add any ABs or glow-in-the-dark drills. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. By the way, just wanted to let you know that Michaels has 30% off on all regular priced kits. And look at that, going fast. 20 sold in 48 hours, 22 sold, 45 sold. Oh my god, I didn't purchase the mystery kits. Look at that. $15 minus 30% off, and look, they're being sold out like crazy. Like crazy. Crazy. These are the kits. So, this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know which kits did you buy. Bye. By the way, these are the only diamond paintings that do not look spooky, but in my opinion, they're kind of like childish. So, this is all for today. Bye.